So Finvolution is so this is not investing advice is not investing advice. So Finvolution is a stock in my portfolio. It's 20% of my portfolio. And Finvolution is a Chinese fintech company. So it is a financial technology company. The reason I own this company is because well, I think its market cap is something like may its market cap is something like $1.2 billion or something like that. I'm not 100% sure right now. Something 1.3 billion, 1.4, somewhere around there. And it makes about, as you saw in the first image, it operating profit was like $100 million. So I think it makes about a 30% return right now. Obviously, though, there are a lot of risks. I mean, this is why I have this company is that it gives such a high rate of return, and that's why I bought it. But also, it's because it's important because I think that I want to have that Chinese fintech exposure. Uh, it's been growing its revenue, and it seems like a good company. I know last year I don't know if it really grew its revenue very much at all, but overall I think it's a good company. I think that fintech's going to continue to advance and be more relevant, and therefore I was willing to take 20% of my portfolio and put it into this one equity. Finvolution is it's weird because it's a Chinese stock, but no one talks about it because I think it's such a small company. It's like 1 point something billion dollars, but I'm trying to make like multiples on my money, and I think that's the best place to do it. I know that there are like restrictions of dividends, and I think that's one of the reasons they only pay like 5% or something, or I think I get like 5.5% or something on my position on this, which is not like a huge amount, but it's also like good because I mean I'm getting 5.5% on a company that has growth and has a future. It's not like stagnating, so that's really a good thing for me, I think. And I have this company. I'm going to continue to hold this for the foreseeable future. I know there's been a lot of questions about fintech companies and how the Chinese government just gave Ant, like stopped investigating them or something. Ant Group or Ant Financial or whatever it's called, Jack Ma, Alibaba, or the Jack Ma's fintech company. And I knew that that is a good thing. I mean, that there's more like assurances, I guess, I would think for me. I'm just looking at this from my perspective. So I'm just recording my thoughts. I think it's more of like an assurance from me. But we'll see. I'll keep holding on to this company for the foreseeable future. I don't see any reason to sell it. Unless something changes, I might sell it. But other than that, I'm going to continue to hold it because I just documenting what investments I'm making and stuff. So we'll see what happens in the future, if whether it gets worse or better or not. But I just noticed there's no videos on Finvolution or anything. I just thought that was odd how I guess no one really holds it, but it's a smaller company, so maybe that's why. I'm not really sure.